Alright, so today I have something special here. I got another box. This one is from HRO, Ham Radio Outlet, and this is a SDR, software-defined radio. It basically lets you control, it's like a receiver for your computer, so you can listen to FM radio, pretty much any type of radio. You can listen to ham radio, which is more what I'm interested in. And yeah, let's get right into it. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. Oh, I see. Gotta open the other side too. They don't make it easy. Just put it on this side of the box. Alright. So the one that I bought is a SDRPlay RSP1A. It goes from 1 kilohertz up to 2 gigahertz. So it covers quite a bit of spectrum, and it has a 10 megahertz bandwidth to it. So, alright, I'm back. Now we'll see what's inside this. Hopefully it's still not wet. So, you can see it's just a black box pretty much, and it comes with the SDR software. But I think it works with other softwares too. And this box is pretty simple here. Just comes in a white box. No cables or anything. So, we'll have to go find... I might have one of these cables right here. Yep, it uses the same cable as my piano, so it's just a USB-B cable here. Let's see. Just plug that in. Plug this side into my computer. And then here I just have a bag of stuff from my old SDR. I was trying to mess around with this up converter, but it never really worked. It was broken, and for some reason the company didn't want to fix it, so had to buy one of these instead. Alright. So this is just, I just have a little ballon here. You can see there. And it just has little terminal connectors. I have some speaker wire in this bag that I can make a little dipole out of. Okay, so I have this mess of wires here that all just plugs into this terminal connector. And then the other end of this should be able to go on the end of the SDR. And now we're going to get the software for it. So let's see if I can switch to my screen here. Alright, so here we are on the desktop. Look up SDR Uno. Go to SDRPlay's website. And we're going to download it. There we go. Download SDR Uno. Looks like this is going to take a little bit. So, be back when this is done downloading. Alright, we're back. The software is downloaded. So we'll go ahead and open it. Okay, it says I may need to reboot afterwards. We'll just click OK. Click accept. And nothing. Okay, it looks like it's downloaded. Now I'll go ahead and open SDR1A, and we'll see if it shows up here. Close that out, and we'll go ahead and play. Looks like something shows up here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. Probably can hear it through my microphone. We'll go ahead and click on one of these stations. I have this antenna set up in my basement, so there's probably not much we can pick up. In the basement, at least. That sounds like something. We'll go ahead and put in one of our local stations here. See if anything shows up. It's picking up something, but we can't hear it. Oh, there we go. We're gonna click off of that because that's probably music that it's not gonna like, YouTube's not gonna like. We'll see if we can pick a different station. I'm not sure if this is a station. I want to use this as a talk show. There we go. So it's picking it up. There we go. That sounds a lot better. Okay, we'll see if I can turn on the desktop.
Medical kits or walkie-talkies, no ability to communicate with one another.
I'm Sabrina Tavernisi. That's coming up on The Daily from the New York Times.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Windsor Johnston. Republican Kevin McCarthy.
But there's not much I can pick up in the basement, so I'll see if I can turn this on later. Maybe set this up, plug it into my antenna upstairs, and see if I can pick up some local ham repeaters or something. We'll click around. Yeah. Looks like we might be getting some interference too. It is literally sitting on the floor in the basement, so we'll just click around. See if there's anything out there. Maybe we can pick something up in the AM band here. What's this? We can pick up a shortwave station here. Didn't expect for that. Turn this filter down. Okay. We'll try a different band. No. Yeah, I think it's just AC noise here. This we might be able to find something. This is the AM band, I'm pretty sure. That must be a local AM station, I would think. Maybe later at night we'll try this again. So I'll be back then.